Whew. Let's see. Let's see, guys. एक second. Noob artist live. सो वी आर लाइव. सो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का ये स्ट्रीम. 3D स्ट्रीम होने वाला है वापस से. हम लोग टेस्ट माया पे काम करने वाले. लास्ट टाइम हम लोग ब्लेंडर यूज कर रहे थे. इको क्यों कर रहा आवाज यार? इको. तेरे वहां से तेरा माइक ऑन है जूम में? तो व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? इको क्यों हो रहा है? हेलो. अभी भी इको आ रहा है क्या? सो गाइस अगर इको है तो एक बार जरा देखते हैं कितने लोग कमेंट जरूर कर देना अगर कोई है तो. सो गाइस अगर इको है तो अभी नहीं है इको. चलो ठीक हो गया. So guys, let's get started with today's stream, okay? So we have Maya 2022. Maya 2022 डाउनलोड कर सकते हो माया की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से. माया ऑटोडेस्क. तो इसका वो कर सकते हो आप. स्टूडेंट वर्जन चला सकते हो जो कि फ्री है. तो स्टूडेंट वर्जन यूज़ करें. और माया के साथ मैं भी यहाँ पर लिंक डाल देता हूँ माया का. तो ये रहा. माया यूज़ करें और इन्जॉय करें. तो ब्लेंडर भी यूज़ करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम में, लेकिन फ़िलहाल माया पे काम करते हैं. तो माया में जैसे कि मैं बिगनर हूँ और मेरे को माया पे इतना कुछ पता नहीं है, तो साथ पे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. होप कि सब कुछ ठीक जाए. जो जो चीज़ें पता नहीं होंगी सब देखेंगे गूगल वगैरह से सर्च करके. ठीक है. तो जो बिगनर्स अगर कोई देख रहा है तो सिंपली मैं एक माया का इंटरफेस का ओवरव्यू दे दूँ. तो ब्लेंडर पे बेसिकली हम मिडल माउस करके ऐसे घुमाते हैं तो पूरा इंटरफेस घूम जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो नहीं है. यहाँ पे ऑल्ट होल्ड करके लेफ्ट क्लिक, ऑल्ट और लेफ्ट होल्ड क्लिक साथ, सॉरी ऑल्ट और लेफ्ट क्लिक साथ पे होल्ड करना है. तो ये ऐसे आप मूव कर सकते हो. ठीक है. आप पैन करने के लिए ऑल्ट होल्ड करना है और मिडल माउस होल्ड करना है. कहीं भी ऐसे पैन कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया. और जूम के लिए भी सेम है मिडल माउस. ठीक है. जो कि ब्लेंडर में है मिडल माउस को अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन, तो ये पैन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये रहा. तो और ये है आउटलाइनर जो कि उस पे था माया पे, नहीं सॉरी ब्लेंडर पे. ठीक है. तो अभी शुरू करते हैं. डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे सिंपली. आप जो मटेरियल्स हैं ब्लेंडर पे शिफ्ट ए होता है, यहाँ पर शिफ्ट ए नहीं है. शिफ्ट ए करोगे तो ये ऐसे फोकस कर देगा. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट्स बनाने के लिए शिफ्ट राइट क्लिक, शिफ्ट होल्ड करना है, राइट क्लिक प्रेस करना है, होल्ड करे रहना. मतलब इतने सारे ऑब्जेक्ट आ गए. ठीक है. कुछ भी बना सकते हो. या तो यहाँ पर क्रिएट पॉलीगन प्रिमिटिव्स कुछ भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है. जैसे क्रिएट पे गए और पॉलीगन प्रिमिटिव्स पे गए, ऊपर डॉट डॉट वाली लाइन दिख रही, इस पे क्लिक करोगे तो विंडो बाहर ही आ गया. अब जो भी चाहिए क्लिक करते जाओ, सब आते जाएगा, ठीक है। यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हो गया, देखो ये। तो मैं सबको सेलेक्ट करके डिलीट कर देता हूँ। तो जो भी चाहिए यहाँ से ला सकते हो, ठीक है। तो फिलहाल के लिए मैं इसको हटा दूंगा और मैं जस्ट सिंपली क्यूब क्रिएट करूंगा, सॉरी, क्यूब क्रिएट करूंगा। तो मैंने बेसिकली शिफ्ट होल्ड करके राइट क्लिक दबा के क्यूब ले आया। अभी तो नहीं आएगा, अभी मेरे को ऑब्जेक्ट मोड पे जाना पड़ेगा, सॉरी। कैसे आता है इस पे क्यूब? हाँ जी, तो नीम ऑब्जेक्ट मोड पे था ना, तब नहीं आ रहा था। तो पहले जैसे मैं अभी यहाँ एज वगैरह पे चले गए, जैसे एजेस सेलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं अभी। तो शिफ्ट राइट क्लिक, अभी कुछ भी सेलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं। तो मैंने ऐसे ही करके क्यूब ऐड किया है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक होल्ड करे रहोगे तो एच, वर्टेक्स, वर्टिसिस, जो भी कहो, फेस, ठीक है। तीनों मोड्स हैं यहाँ पे। तो सॉरी, तो तीनों यूज़ कर सकते हो साथ में। और ऑल्ट होल्ड करके ऐसे चारों ओर घूम सकते हो, ठीक है। तो अभी फ़िलहाल से देखते हैं कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ चीज़ें बनाते हैं इसमें, ताकि हम लोग थोड़ा सा इसके इंटरफेस के साथ फैमिलियर हो जाएं, ठीक है। तो मेरे पास एक इमेज है, मैं उस इमेज को एक सेकंड लाता हूँ। कहाँ है इमेज? एक सेकंड। ये डिस्प्ले कैप्चर के अलावा और कोई कैप्चर काम ही नहीं करता इस पे, पता नहीं क्या दिक्कत है। तो बेसिकली जो इमेज है वो है कुछ इस टाइप की, ठीक है। ये देख लो। तो ये बेसिकली गेमिंग बॉक्स है जो हम लोग बचपन पे खेलते थे, ठीक है। अरे यार, इंग्लिश पे करना था ना स्ट्रीम। वही तो सोचा ना, बोला भी नहीं फिर तूने, साले। क्यों लगा तेरे को? कर अभी इंग्लिश में कर देता हूँ। So this is a reference image. We are going to just, we will try to get as close as possible. Okay. So we will just create this. For this, we will create a blockout scene. We will create few parts. Then we will think of using booleans if we need. Okay. So let me just import the reference image into the Maya. Okay. So first I will just delete this cube. Go into the object mode. I will just hold my right mouse and then go to the object mode and just click this and delete this. Okay. And now I will just import the reference image. You could just go over here. Where is the option? Yeah, in this option. This one option, or here also there is, uh, let me see. Okay. Shading, view. Yeah. So you can basically go to view, image plane, import image. Okay, you can just go over here and import the image. So I will just go over here and click on this and control C to copy the location, and I will just paste the location over here. And we have this reference image. I will just select this, open on into the interface. Okay, but I don't know what's happening. Mm, why this image plane is so big? Wait a second. So let me import again. यार इतना बड़ा क्यों आ रहा है? देखना ये। Okay, so we will just jump into the front view. Hold your space key and then left key. Okay, left mouse key. Space bar. Hold the space bar and the left mouse button and go to the right view. Okay, over here, which is called like side view. And then just go to view, image plane, import image. Okay, I will just import the image again. Okay, now it's fine. So make sure you are in the right view, or we will say the side view, otherwise you will get the problem which I was getting. Okay, I'm not that much familiar with Maya, so that's why I'm not able to figure out what was happening. So right now let's see what we have to do. Basically we can see we have this model which is like which is like a plane shape, so it is easy to make. I mean, we can make it easily. You can see the beveled edges over here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will just select this and press my W key. W key is for the move. Okay, in Maya we have different shortcuts. So W is basically for moving. Okay, I will just press W. I get these icons. Okay, so I will just move it into the side. Okay, uh, or we can just press Control Z to just undo. Right click, sorry, space bar, and just go to the right view. Okay, and now we will just try to match it. So I will just hold my shift key, right click, hold my shift key, then hold my right click, and then just create a cube. Okay, so let's just create a cube, and I will just scale the cube according to the size of this. Okay, so let's just press the R key for the scaling. I will just scale it into the this axis, into the uh, x axis probably. Go this much. Okay, this is fine. And now let's just extend it. Yeah, this is fine. So now we have these two different shapes, so we can just uh, sorry, duplicate this shape. Okay, so I'll just press Shift D to duplicate, and just take this over here and just R and scale it. Okay, W to again. I will just go to the wireframe mode just by going over here. Wireframe is basically 4 or 5. 5. 4 is for wireframe. Okay, so I will just go into the wireframe mode and just uh, go into the vertex and just select these vertices. Okay, let me first see if I am just okay, everything is fine. I will just tell you what I was doing. Okay, I will just select this. Okay, and just go over here. I will just press 5 to come into the solid mode. Okay, so this was it. Now I will just go to the object mode again, and I will just select this, Shift D to duplicate it again, and just take it over here. Okay, I think everything is fine now. Yeah, everything is fine. So we created a simple, you can say, uh, a very simple block out scene. So now let's see what was there were few like buttons over here, so we can use cylinder to make these buttons. So I will just where's my Maya? I will just go over here and I will just go to the wireframe using the 4 key. Okay, and I will just uh, hold my shift right click. Before going to that, I will just go to the edge mode, shift right click, and choose a cylinder. Okay, so this is the cylinder, and I will just go over here and just click on this cylinder. Okay, so you just need to click on this. You can see your channel or layer editor, channel box or layer editor. If you can't see the channel box or layer editor, you can just click on this. Okay, so that you can see that. And here we have this newly added cylinder. Okay, so I just need to decrease the subdivision. Okay, you can see, so I will just decrease it to 8. I'll just select the cylinder. I will just go, oh it's 3. I just did 8, it got 3. Okay, so 8 subdivision, or maybe 16, which is enough. So 16 subdivision, and let's just go into the wireframe mode, I mean solid mode, to see what's happening over here. And if we just take a look over here, we have 1 2 3 4, 4 and 4. So let's just create over here, make it small. Okay, make it small, a little bit longer. Okay, like this. Okay, press the W key again, and F to focus on that particular object. So now what I will do is just rotate this into the, where is the x-axis? Let me see which axis we have to. It's just x. Okay, we will just rotate this into the z-axis 90 degree. Okay, you just check which axis you have over here and just rotate that. I will just rotate it into the z-axis 90 degree, and then I will just go into my front view, I mean right view, which is like a side view, and I will just switch my view to the wireframe by just clicking on this. Okay, I'll just drag it over here. Okay, and I'll just increase the size a little bit to match the size of the buttons. Okay, this much, and I will just press Shift D to just clone it and just place it on other places. Okay, 1 2, and again Shift D, 3, again Shift D to just duplicate it again and again. So we have 4 over here. Now what we should do is just press Shift to duplicate, hold your Shift key and just drag them to make a clone. Okay, I just hold my Shift key selecting all of them and just dragged over here. Oh shit. So we'll just drag on these buttons and try to match. Okay, so it's almost the same. Okay, and we will just create one more Shift D and just take it down over here, okay, and these two cylinders we can just do like Shift D, go over here, increase the size. Okay, and this much, and hold your Shift key. You can see as I just hover my mouse over here, I can see the clone option. Okay, I will just drag it and clone it like that. Okay, and we have all this. So here we have one plus icon. We'll just create it later. For right now, let's just take a look over this. Now we need uh, one more cylinder. Okay, so I will just select this, go to the wireframe mode, hold my Shift key, clone this, and just go over here like this. Okay, so now I'll just go to the front view, I mean perspective view, holding your space bar, right left mouse, go to the perspective. Okay, and let's just make these edges softer. Okay, and what we have to do is, so first let's just see what we have. Okay, these all are outside, so I will just go to the object mode, select everything, and I will just go to the front view. I believe, yeah, front view, and I'll just go like this, something like this. I'll just let's just see what we have, what we got. Okay, so now everything is looking fine. So if we just go to the object mode, so this is our basic design. Okay, for this, a block out scene for this. Okay, so now let's just start shaping it. I will just decrease this. Where's the image plane? And I will just take it backward. I will just start shaping the object. Okay, right click edge mode, select this edge, and what I will do is maybe can I bevel two edges together? So I will select both the edges. Okay, instead of using this, I will just select one edge, go to the edge mode, select one edge. Okay, so I will just hold my oh, come on. Okay, I will just hold my one edge. I will just go to the Control Shift right click. Okay, hold your Control Shift right click, go to symmetry, on the symmetry. Okay, so if I just select this, oh, what is happening? Symmetry object Z. I don't want object Z. I want world Z, but it is not affecting anything. Why? Okay, it is working now. It is working. So I'll just select the one edge. So make sure you have the right axis over here. You can just go to the modeling toolkit. If it doesn't show over here, you can just click on this. This is a modeling toolkit, and you can just see over here symmetry. You can just try the different angles. I mean, different axes. Which one works for you? Okay. Let me check if my stream is going correct. So I will just select this edge, shift right click, bevel. Okay, you can see bevel. I'll just click on this box. So I want like maybe 3 segments is fine. 3 segments, and just select apply. Yeah, 3 segments is fine, I believe. 3 segments. Oh shit, edit, redo. Okay, 3 segments. Maybe you can add more segments. I will just go with 5. 5 is enough. Yeah, 5 looks good to me. And if you just off the chamfer, it will just remove this. It will just make it straight and give the supporting edges. So make sure the chamfer is on, okay? If you have like a very uh, flat, if you have like this shape, okay, this shape. So if you just apply chamfer over here, it will just bend and like deform or like that, okay? So I just applied chamfer over here, and I used mirror modifier, okay, which helped me, and which was like applied on all the sides. So now I will just do the same over here into this. I'll just go to the, I could just go to the edit mode, select this one, and I will just uh, again just repeat the same process like the beveling process by hitting the G key. Okay, so G for Google, so G is used for repeating the commands. I just repeated that command. Okay, I just created this. So as far as we are just moving, our model is looking pretty nice. Okay, it is getting better. So now what we have uh, let me see what we have something over here in the edges. So what we could do is I think, okay, so first we will take this and we will just uh, go into the, we will just isolate this area. So the isolation shortcut is actually I just forgot that. Control 1. Okay, control 1 is just for isolation. Okay, so I'll just select these two and go into the isolation mode. Control 1 is the isolation key. Okay, so I'll just select this. I will just uh, select the edges. Okay, okay, so again G for the same action, but this time not that much segments. 3 segments only and less the fraction. Okay, less fraction, and we have like 0.7, 0.27 fraction, and let's just select this. G for the same thing, 0.27 is the fraction. 0.27. So we have 0.27 fraction, and what we want is we want these edges to go inside. So how we will do that? -30 maybe. No, it doesn't work. So we have to figure out how we can do that, because you can see over here this shape is like going inside, so we have to either take these things like this, maybe. Right view, and let's see what we have before beveling this. Let me just go to the, yeah, this is fine. So now I will know how much I have to bevel, because I can just see the, not this wireframe, I can see how much bevel is needed. Fraction is like a little bit of fraction. We need this much fraction, and what we need is, if we just add a minus, okay, okay, we have this much. So let's just come to the right view again, and let's just go into the wireframe mode. Let's just select these two, because I just deselected them by mistake. So let's just use the, like, control B, maybe. No, not control B. uh, Soft, we can just come over here into the bevel. We have 3, so we can just try to increase it, and this used to happen with control. Okay, let's just give it like 4, maybe. So we have this over here. So Control Shift X to just enter the multicut tool. Okay, I will just apply this over here. I'll just apply this over here. I'll just again, like, select these. Okay, go to the right view. एस मोड। तो हमको यहाँ पे ऐसा करना पड़ेगा कि राइट व्यू पे जाते हैं पहले तो, ये सेलेक्टेड है, यहाँ पर से पॉइंट स्नैप ऑन करते हैं, पॉइंट स्नैप है, स्नैप पॉइंट। ये हो गया हमारा थोड़ा सा ठीक। अभी ठीक है। तो कुछ इस प्रकार से बन चुका है। तो अब बीच में शेट में कंट्रोल आर दबा रहा हूँ, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एक्स। हमने एक लूप दे दिया यहाँ पर, लेकिन ये लूप किसी कारण डला नहीं, तो देखते हैं क्यों नहीं डला। ओ शिट, हमारा स्नैप ऑन है तो क्यों नहीं डला है। ओके चलो जो भी है, हम इसको फटाक से ऐड कर लेते हैं। कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एक्स। कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा वो तो नहीं बन गई। वर्ड एक्स, एक्स। लेट्स सी, अभी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ ऐसा, तो कोई नहीं। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक बार मिरर ऑफ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो मिरर को फ़िलहाल के ऑफ रखते हैं, और कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एक्स वापस से यहाँ पर से गए, एंटर, ठीक है। कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एक्स वापस से यहाँ पर से जोड़ेंगे, जोड़ेंगे, ठीक है, एंटर। तो हमारा पूरा जुड़ चुका है, पूरा बन गया है। तो जिस ओर हमारा ये बना है, हमको क्या करना है, एक सेकेंड यार ये, हाँ अभी ठीक है। तो जिस ओर से हमारा बना है, हमको इस ओर क्या करना है, वर्टेक्स पर्सपेक्टिव पे है, वर्टेक्स पे जाएंगे, इस साइड के सब कुछ डिलीट कर देते हैं, ठीक है। तो डिलीट, कंट्रोल डिलीट, ठीक है, डिलीट कर दिया हमने। तो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इस साइड, इस साइड हम लोग क्या कर देंगे, एक्स एक्सिस नहीं, हो देखना पड़ेगा गाइस ये कैसे होगा। इस पे मिरर कैसे होता है पता है तेरे को, कैसे होता है। यहाँ पे जाना पड़ता है, मैश में जाके मिरर करना होता है, फिर उसमें सेटिंग एक चेंज करनी पड़ती है, मैश में जाके। रुक जा फिर, मैश में जाकर मिरर और कट ज्योमेट्री को ऑफ कर देना, और एक तो इधर उधर कर, हो जाएगा, अपने हो जाएगा। एक तो सेटिंग सेट कर, वर्ल्ड ऑफसेट, अरे हो जाए भाई, क्या हो रहा? ब्रिज तो अभी नहीं। एक सेकंड यार, ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा? ऑब्जेक्ट मोड हो गया। एक सेकंड यार, डिलीट ऑल बाय टाइप हिस्ट्री। ओ भाई, अभी मेरा ऑब्जेक्ट मोड क्यों नहीं आ रहा होगा? ये ये कहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट? ऑब्जेक्ट तो सिलेक्टेड ही है ना। अच्छा, बाहर नहीं आता, वाह। तो अबे ऑब्जेक्ट मोड में भी तो सिलेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, क्या है? अच्छा हाँ, एक सेकंड, कहाँ जा? मैश में? अबे ये तो ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट ही नहीं। अच्छा अब हुआ है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं हुआ है। सेटिंग साले, सेटिंग तो आ रही थी, तूने बोला मत कर। मैश मिरर यहाँ गए, ये सेटिंग आई है। कट ज्योमेट्री, हाँ 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 हाँ, डायरेक्शन माइनस, हाँ हाँ। हम्म। क्या मर्ज थ्रेशोल्ड ऑटोमेटिक नहीं, कस्टम है? चलिए मैं अप्लाई कर लेता हूँ पास। हाँ हाँ, शायद से हो तो गया, लेकिन ये दूसरी डायरेक्शन में हुआ है शायद से। वाई, अच्छा वाई नीचे है। जेड, हो गया हो गया हो गया। गलती तो अभी देखता हूँ क्या हुई है अब, मेरे खुद के समझ नहीं आया गलती क्या हुई है। तो गाइस मेरे को लग रहा है यहाँ पे शायद से एजेस ज़्यादा हो गई हैं। हाँ, कंट्रोल डिलीट नहीं, क्या हो रहा है? एक बार चलो वर्टिसेस सेलेक्ट करते हैं सारे। हम्म। हेलो हेलो। So let's select all of this and then just press my right shift right, sorry, press shift right click, merge vertices, merge vertices. Okay, 0.10. Maybe this will work. No, this doesn't work. So I have to find a way. I have to look at the tutorials of Maya. So then only I will be able to use it. अरे यार, ये मर्ज नहीं हुआ है, देखिए तभी मेरे को यहाँ मर्ज नहीं हुआ है। वेल नहीं, ये वो था पूरा, क्या कहते हैं, मैश मिरर, और यहाँ पर कॉपी कट ज्योमेट्री बाउंडिंग बॉक्स ऑब्जेक्ट, इतना 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 मेरा डायरेक्शन माइनस, मर्ज बॉर्डर वर्टिसेस, ब्रिज बॉर्डर एजेस। So guys, we will be doing Blender stream tomorrow in the daytime. So as we are learning Maya, so that's why I thought to do a Maya stream so that I could practice and learn more. So what the heck is happening? So, oh, uh, what the heck? Is my mirroring on? Symmetry should be off right now. If so, what the heck? Okay, we have two edges over here. Control, not control delete, but instead, no, I'll just go to the vertex mode, select all the vertices, and shift right click merge vertices, and just merge the vertices. I don't know why this is black, so I have to definitely check it. Okay, fine. We have this basic shape in object mode. Why this is black? I don't have any idea. Why? Fuck this. Oh, so guys, I have been struggling with modeling in Maya. So I'll definitely practice that. That's why that is black. What is happening? And few more things. So right now we have 43 minutes of stream right now. So let's see what we can do more. Actually, I'm not in mood to do this, so I'll just save this. Uh, speed tree dot over here. Okay, I will just save into Maya. Call this Pract. We will just start our latest version of Blender. Okay. So let's just go into GeoNotes and let's just try what we can do over here. ZZ1, I will just bring this up one scale, Shift A, plane. Apply the scale. Okay. So basically, I'll just bring the transform node. Okay. So I can just transform it any way I want. So I will just do a thing. I will just uh, mesh to curve. Okay, I'll just do this mesh to curve. So we have very just edges, you can see. So I'm just converting this mesh into a curve. Let's just go over here, curve to mesh. Again, we are converting into the mesh. Wow, I'm crazy, I think. Because we are just, what we are doing is there's a transform node over here, and we are just converting the cube into a curve and then the cube again into a mesh. Okay, first we are converting into a curve, then again into a mesh, so that I could get this profile curve option over here where, oh, this is, I just came to know that if we just drag this, this is a new feature. Wow. So we could just curve circle, maybe circle, curve circle. So I'll just connect this curve circle. So as you can see, we have very, I mean, big amount of radius. So I'll just decrease it around 0.02, something like that. We got something like this. Okay, so you can just decrease it because this is too much. 16 is enough for us. So I'll just merge my window with this. Okay, we created something like this. If we just over here. Oh, so we just apply this curve. Uh, if I just do this, not this. What was the shortcut? So I will just join these twos. Okay, I will just use a join node to just join this. Okay, a join geometry node. I'll just delete this X to delete this. Okay, I have joined these twos. So if I just join this, and okay, if I just don't wanna use this, uh, okay, uh, if I just control X, control V. Okay, what I was doing is, okay, I'll just do this curve to curve, circle to the radius, and what we will do is we will just connect this mesh to this. Okay, but there is a problem. I have to just end this, connect it to over here. So if I just move this another one, so we are getting both as but I don't want both to be like. I got that. I could just use this over here, and then what we could do is we could just separate this. We could just uh, bring it a little bit closer. We could use this, and what we could do is we could what we could do is um, uh, I think I can just use a geometry node, a join node. Sorry, not geometry. Everything is geometry node over here. I'll just connect this over here, and if I just go where's the position, let's just bring it 0 back. So we have this. Yeah, we got that. So if you want a wireframe, we can just use this. Okay, so this is what we got, and we have just separated this cube. Okay, so now let's just let me bring a circle. Okay, no, cube. Mm, spiral maybe. Let's just play with this. Rotations. Let's just increase the rotation, and height should be like this much. Is enough. Resolution. I could just add like 32. Yeah. Gosh. Okay, we got this. So this is what it looks like. And what we could do is we just created a spiral. Whoa. Okay, I can just use a value node. Maybe simple timeline. instance to point. Let me just check what. No, this node. We just go over here. Okay, I think the stream for today is enough. As today we are a little bit tired, so this will be enough for today. We will be connecting tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. We will see you soon. Bye bye, guys.